After clicking the link from the description, you will be directed directly to the Google Play Store. So install that application, that is Adobe Scan. It's free and it's very useful. So you just select the desired document, whatever you want to make it PDF. Okay, so just click it and you can resize all the things. Okay, so after clicking and after resizing, you will get document in the corner. Okay, so it's resizing. Okay, you can, yes, you will see that one there. Okay, so after that, after clicking there, you will find your document. So this is for single document. If you have multiple documents, just follow the same rule. Just go and scan it, the first page. Okay, whatever you have, it doesn't matter how many pages do you have. Okay, just resize it. So what area you want to come in PDF. So one document has been already added in the bottom corner. So in second page also, just go and click it. Okay, so then you just select the desired area, and now you can see the two documents in the bottom. Then after finishing all the document scanned, just click it there and click on the top to rename it. For example, I'm renaming this document as science subject. Okay, so you can write desired document name, then after rename, so you can see the both document in same page. Okay, so after saving the PDF, so you can see the share option there and share as a copy, and you can choose many options from where you can share. So I'm using WhatsApp. Okay, so you can send it to the respective person. Thank you for watching.